Alright, so we got an egg that's meant to be hatching. Now just to check if it is already hatched. Oh, I hear y'all. Okay. That's the males and one of the females. Hey, go boy. The doggos. I'm gonna open up this fence. Hang on. Let me zoom this out a little bit. There we go. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pause this while I undo these. Alright, fix that up. Hey boys, hey girly. Now, Peck, you sitting on your eggs? I gotta come in and check them. I know, baby. I know. Hey, you gotta get up for a second. I know. Gotta get up for a second, baby. Gotta get up for a second. Thank you. Not this one. Hang on, I gotta find the one that's meant to be hatching. I know this ain't all of them. Alright, I finally found the egg that's meant to hatch. If you look really closely right over here. Here, hang on. Look really closely, right here. There's a nice big crack. Right here, there. There's a crack all around right here. And it doesn't smell rotten either, so this one's trying to hatch. And the fact that it's been trying to hatch since last night and still hasn't kind of scares me, and I'm half tempted to actually go ahead and manually hatch it. Now, I also found something else. So you can see, this one looks pretty much black on the inside. Also, it smells rotten. I'm going to go double check with Anna. But, if I'm correct, that means I get to remove another egg from the nest. Huh?
Is there a little duckling?
Sadly, no.
But when you get done with the eggs, then...
This one I think is rotten.
Well, when you get done, then Anna said come over to the yard sale.
Well, that's where I was going, to Anna, to make sure that this one actually is rotten before I break it. Now, again, it smells rotten. It probably is. Also, you can tell by whether it looks like it's black on the inside. But I'm just double checking with Anna to make sure that it is rotten. Hey, Hannah. Alright, so yes, this egg is rotten. Really badly rotten. It's probably been rotten for the last few days, actually. Now, with how they lay up to 10 eggs a day, it's best to remove the rotten ones when you find them. Also, the mallards will actually eat eggs that are cracked. So, really? That was a failure. Now, I still gotta check around in there because she likes to lay eggs in there since there's not much space in her actual nest. Seriously? Alright, fine. Oh god, that thing's sprayed. Ew, 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 ew. Oof. If you're queasy, don't watch the video, I guess. God. And I just sprayed it all over myself. That's nice. Be right back. But yeah. Oh god, that stinks. Of course, it's a rotten egg, why wouldn't it? Aw, Peck, I'm sorry. Anyways, but yeah, it's best to remove the rotten ones. They're never going to hatch anyways. Now, as you can see, we got quite a few eggs. Still probably not much space for a new one if she is to lay another, which she probably will, knowing her. I mean, knowing ducks in general. Yeah, this one's hatched. It's hatching. So yeah, that's that. This one looks black on the black. Yeah, that smells rotten as well. That's 2 rotten ones that I get to get rid of. No, that one's iffy. This one looks rotten still. That's quite a few rotten ones. This one's good. Yeah, I'm just checking them at this point. Here, I'll pause this while I check them all. So I found 3 that are iffy, and yeah, those are the ones that are left. You know the drill with the rotten eggs, so yeah, that's pretty much all I have to do. Could go about the daily check-ins with all the animals, but I don't really want to. I gotta go ahead and restock their pool, which I'll probably actually go ahead and pause this and then restart it when I have to restock the pool. Yeah, that's actually what I'll do. Well, that's going to be a hard test to do one-handed. We got the hose, we got the pool. Time to show you what taking care of ducks is really all about. It's not just having these animals running free around your yard. Gotta give them water to bathe in and to drink. Gotta give them sufficient food, which is actually pretty pricey. And they'd prefer it if you had worms or mealworms as a treat. It's actually quite healthy for them. They do graze a lot though, so they're fine without mealworms. Anyways, be back after I figure out if these are rotten or not. So all 3 of those were rotten. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack them and then restock the duck's pond. Now on to restocking the duck's pond. First things first, if they want to go free, they can go free for a little while. I'll just round them up later. Now, this is downhill. Smartest thing to do, get behind it and dump it out. That way it doesn't get all over your feet. Roll. Okay, now it's dumped out. I gotta go over here. Actually, first thing I gotta do, bring it back over here. Now the hose can actually get to it. This hose looks like a snake. Oh, I got my hand in the way. Hose is clearly working. Alright. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the inside, make sure there's nothing in it, and do my best to clean around the edges. Because Lord knows ducks are dirty. I will be right back. Freshly cleaned out pond, nothing on the edges, and the sides are pretty wet, for sure. Alright, now, that's as far as that can extend, so I gotta pull it closer. This thing takes a while. There. And I just gotta wait for that. While I'm waiting, as much as they're too heavy to truly get off the ground on their own, ducks actually can lift off. Although they don't want me. Trying to get them used to humans, which in some cases does mean chasing them around. Come here, Peck. Peck, girl. Hang on a minute. Alright. I got her. I got the Peck. Oh, God. See? They can fly, just can't lift off very well. What's what the mallards do? No? They don't want to follow the Indian. Oh, they're following the Indian runners. Alright. Oh, do I have to chase down some ducks? Yeah, back that way? Good idea. I'm gonna go out here and play with the goat and all that while I'm waiting for that to get done. Oh, also, look. Hi there. Aw. Hi, Fanta. Hey, Cleo. Now we're down to 8 cats since our oldest one died at 9 years old. So we're slowly getting rid of animals. We got 25 animals now. Hi there, puppy. Hi there, Buddy. Now I'm still gonna give the eggs until their actual due date hatch. So in yesterday it was 4. So in about yeah, in 3 days. In 3 days I'll go ahead and see about giving him a little bit of a push out of the egg. What? You guys want attention? You guys want attention? Hey, you guys want attention? Look at you. What, you want attention? They want me in there is what they want. Back. I'm gonna be nice to you guys. Hey, back. Back, get up. Get in here. Hey. God. Enough jumping. Hey. Hey. That's enough. Oh my God. That's enough. That is enough. Now hopefully I can figure out how to get videos clipped together because they made me turn off the video. That's why I'm not with them very often, because they jump up on people and all that. A little bit of cuteness. Hey. Hi, big guy. Anyways. Starting to fill up. Got ducks. That's 2 ducks, so I'm guessing yeah, Peck is back in there with her eggs. Now look at this, look at this. This guy has to be good with the ducks because as of right now, he can slip right through the bars. A little bit of a magician here. A little fun fact about about cats: anywhere their head can fit, the rest of their body can. That's why it can fit in. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Hey, Cleo. Hey! Don't do that, Mickey. No. Here you go, Drama. You can get back out. I know you can. Starting to fill up. Hi. Neighbors having another cookout. Now we're meant to be having Zoe and Sophie come down after they're done with their homework. They're in 6th grade and my neighbor's up there. They usually come down and say hi to all the animals, so. Oh, you stepping on me? Really? Meow? Yeah? Bye. Hi. Well, goodbye to you too. Meow. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Raw. My favorite way to hold him, and he actually doesn't care. Hi, puppy. Also, he's a little soft. Yeah. He's a little soft. Wee. Oh. Well, that's filling up now. Alright. To avoid overflow and not waste water, Geronimo, you can come in if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Also, I can make a rainbow with this. Oh wait, sun's not out enough. Never mind. Alright. So yeah, that concludes the duck chores. And I gotta go make sure to double check my parakeets. And then I'm good. All done.